Good afternoon, everyone. This is Gary at Getting Creative After 50. Today we're going to work on cleaning up this battery-powered chainsaw. This is a Spartan chainsaw, and it was given to me as a birthday present a few years ago. It just runs off of this one 2.5 amp hour battery, and she needs to be cleaned up. So we're going to take the cover off, take the chain off, take the bar off, and just give it a real good cleaning and put it all back together and go from there. So you guys you guys hang around, and hope you like this video, and we will be back with you shortly. This is again a Spartan 40-volt brushless chainsaw. Runs off of a 2.5 amp hour battery. It's a 14-inch bar, and yeah, good little chainsaw. First thing we do is just take the guard off, and then this thing just has a little wrench, pretty nasty. So I'm going to get this off of here and give this baby a nice cleaning. It is nasty. So get that chain off of there. We're going to sharpen this chain too when we're finished up, and hopefully have it nice and sharp and ready to go. Just take a screwdriver in here and just kind of start cleaning all this sawdust and trash and debris out of there. So you can almost just twist it and get it out of there, but we'll take it over to the air compressor too and do a nice thorough cleaning of it as well over there. Make sure we get everything over there this little screwdriver won't get for us. So let's move on here. So this thing will last a lot longer if you're taking care of, and quite frankly I've neglected cleaning these, and I want to use it as long as I can, so I need to do a little more maintenance on it. So I live here in the South, and we cut firewood, but it's not usually for a lot of heating during the winter time, so more so just clearing and like when you're at the deer lease. So we'll keep cleaning this up and we'll be back. Alright, welcome back. So we got the housing cover all cleaned up, so everything's working nice and smoothly there. Got the bar cleaned up as well, and most chainsaws are all different which way, where they tell you to put the chain and which direction to put it, but here on this Spartan it tells you which way the teeth are to go so that you can't get it messed up. I mean, I guess you could, but you probably won't have much luck when you go to cutting. So it gives you a little guide right there on which way the teeth are supposed to go. Some people will put it, or some manufacturers will put it actually on the main body of the unit, but Spartan here puts it on the bar. So, and then as far as the controller and everything, or the working portion of the unit, it's all cleaned up as well. It's where the battery goes. It's got your normal safety and everything there, and you can check battery voltage and everything. It's got the safety guard there. So oil goes over on this side, and yeah. So let's start putting her back together and test her. All right, we got her all back together here. So that's kind of what it looks like. This cover just goes back on. You twist that on, lighten it down, or to tighten it down, and then crank this to lock in the blade, so or the chain, excuse me. So now we're going to take the sharpener, just a file, and run it along the teeth in the direction that the teeth would be going to make the cut. So you flip it around to do the teeth going the other way, but you'll just take a file and just run it through, sharpen the teeth, and then just move on. It's like every other tooth. You do that all the way around the chain, and then you flip it around and do the other side. So sorry, that's not probably a very good use. Sorry, my bench is a little tight here. So you just move the chain. Sometimes you can use not your shirt, but use the file. And then just repeat the process. So I'm sure there's machines and stuff out there that will do it, but you can also do it with just a small file. So, all right, got the chain all sharpened, and again, this is just an electric or battery operated Spartan chainsaw that a friend gave me for my birthday a few years ago, and it works pretty well. You might not get as long of a runtime as you do with the gas, but for a little quick project without having to break out the gas and all that extra stuff. I mean, you can take this out if you got something in your backyard that needs to be trimmed up real quick, or even take to the deer lease, and you just need to knock down a couple branches. You can do it with this. So pretty much has a break in there that stops almost immediately. I mean, I wouldn't reach out there and grab the chain, but it is pretty quick on the stop too. So and pretty powerful. Again, comes with runs off of one 2.5 amp hour battery, and yeah, so works pretty well. But that concludes this video. So if you like this type of stuff, please like and subscribe to the channel at Getting Creative After 50. I look forward to seeing you again on the next video. And until then, peace out, and we'll see you next time. Again, thanks for watching Getting Creative After 50. Quick side note, this is a Spartan chainsaw. Was not asked by Spartan to advertise for them, nor am I being paid to show their products. So just like the brand, and you know what, when you need a battery powered chainsaw, this is a good chainsaw to go get. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like the content, please hit the like button below and subscribe, and give me any feedback to this video if you have any. Maybe I didn't do something right, could have done something different, something better, and look forward to reading your comments. Until we meet again, thank you for watching and have a great day.